Hello, a little bit more information about manipulating strings, and in particular I would like to present here the technique which I call divide and manage. In manipulating strings, we often have to break down the string into parts known as substrings. For example, we may consider that the string we see here, Bob Thor Spain 1987, is made out of 4 substrings separated by the space character. Here is my favorite method, visualizing the string within its cubbyholes and the associated indices for each cubbyhole. I have painted different colors the substrings of the Bob Thor Spain 1987 string and left the blank space white. Let's assume we need to write a Python program that displays just the first name, the last name, and the year. And the program should work for multiple records that contain first name, space, last name, space, country, space, and the year. I'm going to follow what I have called divide and manage method. And here is how the algorithm goes. Find the index of the space, of the first space, of course. Keep the substring from index 0 to index of space. Keep the substring from the index of space plus 1 to the end of the string. At the end of the above algorithm, we may envision our string has been broken down to 2 strings. The first one, assigned to fn, let's say variable, will contain bob and the blank space, and the second substring, let's assume we call it remaining string, will contain Thor space Spain space 1987. Then we take the remaining string and we repeat the process. We find the index of the space after the Thor, we keep that substring, Thor space, and also we keep the remaining string, which is Spain up to the end. And we can visualize that 2 substring as ln and remaining string as well. And we repeat the process. At the end of the process, I have isolated 4 string variables. Let's name them fn, ln, country, year x, and now I can display those substrings any way I want. And that's the technique of divide and manage strings. Here we see the input, Anthony Johnson Greece 2007, the output from the program. Also we see Bob Thor Spain 1987 as input, and the output of the program, and below here is the code that works for any string that has first name space, last name space, any country space, any year, and we'll do the requested task to display first name, last name, and just year.